If you're exploring the option of adding gold to your retirement portfolio or just seeking tax-friendly moves to make with your money, there may be some benefits to Gold IRAs that you don't know. A self-directed IRA enables you to hold physical gold in a retirement account. And just as with other types of IRAs, Gold IRAs can offer sizable tax benefits. Contributions to a traditional Gold IRA are made on a pre-tax basis, allowing for tax-deferred growth until you take distributions. If you decide to include gold in a Roth IRA, contributions are made on a post-tax basis, meaning withdrawals are tax-free. Both options can help diversify your portfolio and create safe havens for your assets. In short, not only can a self-directed Gold IRA offer a hedge against inflation and a declining dollar, but it can also deliver tax-deferred or tax-free growth while you're saving for retirement. Once your account is funded, those funds are then used to purchase physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Those metals are then stored in an IRS-approved depository of your choosing. You cannot add gold you already own to a self-directed IRA or possess the gold while it's being held in your IRA. However, you can visit your depository to see and hold your physical gold if you opt for segregated storage. If you pass away, some self-directed IRAs will allow your assets to be passed down to your beneficiaries with few or no tax implications. This could be a huge financial relief to anyone you designate as a beneficiary for your Gold IRA. You might also be able to take a tax credit for making eligible contributions to your Gold IRA. It's known as the Retirement Savings Contribution Credit or Savers Credit and can amount to up to 50% of your contributions. You may be eligible for this credit if you're at least 18 years old, you're not a full-time student, and you can't be claimed as a dependent on another person's tax return. In other words, most American taxpayers could receive this credit. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about the benefits of self-directed IRAs. Click the link in the description to download your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important and useful information about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.